Assalamu alaikum, dear students of Tongi Government College, Gazipur. I am here Hasina Akhtar Khanum, Associate Professor in the Department of English. This is my online class for degree third year students on report writing. A report is a document that presents information in an organized format for a specific audience and purpose. Although summaries of reports may be delivered orally, complete reports are almost always in the form of written documents. About report writing. A report is written for a clear purpose and to a particular audience. Specific information and evidence are presented, analyzed, and applied to a particular problem or issue. The information is presented in a clearly structured format, making use of sections and headings so that the information is easy to locate and follow. When you are asked to write a report, you will usually be given a report brief which provides you with instructions and guidelines. The report brief may outline the purpose, audience, and problem or issue that your report must address, together with any specific requirements for format or structure. This guide offers a general introduction to report writing. Be sure also to take an account of specific instructions provided by your department. A report is a written account of something that one has observed, heard, done, or investigated. It is a systematic and well-organized presentation of facts and findings of an event that has already taken place somewhere. A report has a distinctive format. It bears, first of all, title section, which includes the name of the author and the date of report preparation. Then the summary, where it needs to be a summary of the major points, conclusions, and recommendations. Then the report needs to have an introduction, then the body, which is the main section of the report, and conclusion, which is the ending of your report in a befitting style. There are some parts of a report. These parts of a report normally include the topic. That means the first thing to write in a report, it is called the topic because it tells the topic or main idea or the report. Then the heading, this is where you write your name, then your location or address and the time of your writing of the report. Then the final report. It summarizes the points you make about the topic of your report and elaborate the story. Types of report. Type 1 is formal or informal reports that you are asked to write in your exam paper. Then comes short or long reports. Then type 3, informational or analytical reports. Then number 4, proposal report. Number 5, vertical or lateral reports. Number 6, internal or external reports. Number 7, periodic reports. And number 8, functional reports. Finally, there is a list of reports, that means a suggestion for your final preparation of the exam. These are writing reports on COVID-19 pandemic in Bangladesh. Then writing a report on a massive fire in a slum of Dhaka city or in your locality. Then you can write a report on the mighty Prodhar Bridge. Then writing a report on digitalization in education. You can write a report on climate change, that is a major issue nowadays. Then you can write on a recurrent issue, mosquito menace in your locality. Then Writing a report on reopening of educational institutions in COVID-19 situation. Then writing report on an accident that took place on a highway. You can write a report on the bad impact of Facebook on young generation. Then writing a report is very important on freshers reception of your college. Then finally you can write a report on the recurrent Rohingya refugee problem in Bangladesh. That's all for today. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.